King, do you know what kennel cough is? No, that's okay. Hold on and we'll ask Cruz. Cruz, do you know what kennel cough is? No. So I found out that a lot of people do not know what kennel cough is. I am a pet sitter and I have seen it so much lately. So we thought we'd do about 3 videos on what kennel cough is, how to protect your pets from getting it, and if your pet does get it, how to stop your other pets from getting it. So in the next 3 weeks, please look forward to our new videos coming out on kennel cough. If this is a subject you're interested in, please make sure you ring our bell and subscribe. That way you get notifications when the new videos come out. I'll also be making a playlist once they are all done. Thanks for watching. I hope y'all have a great day. Go out and do you and have fun. Woohoo!